welcome today on this hot Sunday. Yes, Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so yeah, I saw the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, but on Saturday, June the 10th 2023, we have only one puzzle page, no additional, no extra puzzle, so I've decided to solve the Friday edition, June the 9th 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the Sudoku with 0 stars. It's time now for the Tectonic, the last puzzle for today. Well, not the last puzzle, because we have for the evening the Samurai Sudoku, but let me continue with this one. Tectonic with 1 star, number 6579. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one because it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question 2. U is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always 1. I see here only one single box. Number 1. Next question, do we have dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, no 1 goes there. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? No triple boxes here. Quadra boxes then. See here, quadra box. Well, this box can be a 1, this box can be a 2, so the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. More quadra boxes? No. Oh, overlook this triple box. Well, contains the 1 and 2 and 3. Well, those 2 boxes, we have a 3 already here, so the 1 and the 2 goes there. Okay, no quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize. The following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Yeah, for example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. The T shape. We have more T shapes in this puzzle. Here we have another T shape, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. And that box has the same number as this box. Okay, only 2 T shapes. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape, how about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Oh, here. Okay. Here, another one. Mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes that you need to recognize. The question is why you maximum of 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have only 4 that you need to recognize. Question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1, because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these are 3 boxes. Surrounding 4 can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 here. Otherwise, we have a double 4 here. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there, the 4 for the 4, yeah. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3, the 3. And it's also connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 4 there. We have a double 4 there. If I place the 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 4 should be here and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 2. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 1 can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We see another 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be 2. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be... This box can be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be here. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. The 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. It's also connected with that box, should be also 4. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 9 minutes. Well. We solved it again, and I like this one, yes. We do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this, yeah, thumbs up. otherwise thumbs down. We will meet again in evening with the Samurai Sudoku. Yeah, more than an hour we will solve that puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.